Hello everyone, today we are going to make mushroom and pork stir fry. First, cut the mushroom into thin slices. Then cut the pork belly into thin slices. Cut some garlics. Make the sauce. 1 spoon of cooking wine, 2 spoons of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of chicken powder, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Use 3 spoons of sauce to mix with the pork. Stir fry the garlic. Add the pork. Stir fry the pork for 2 minutes. Add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. Add the mushroom, stir fry with the pork together. Add the pre-made sauce, stir fry it for 1 minute.